Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update.
Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how you can add someone into your business manager, Facebook business manager account, so that they can maybe help you with creating, editing and managing your Facebook ads. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to log in into your business manager. So if you have not already watched that video of how you can create your business Facebook business manager within 5 minutes, you can watch that video by clicking the tab over here. I will be giving an information tab over here. So in order to add someone into your business manager, you have to go into the user section under people. So today we're going to cover all about what is people. So people is basically all the people who are added to your business manager, having any kind of access, right from employee to admin to developer to financial analyst and etc. So you can see currently I am the only one who is the admin. This is basically the business admin. This is the icon of business admin. I am the only one with this account. Okay, and you can see over here, if you want to add someone, you have to click on that. But before that, let's go and see what are add assets and edit button. So you can see here, you can see two add assets button. So by clicking on this, you can add page, add accounts, then Instagram account, as well as some pixel into your business manager, and you can assign that asset to individual as per your convenience or as per needed. Okay, so currently I am on the only person here, Shubham Raj. So when I click on add assets, you can see that there are different kind of asset which I can share. That is the new page experience. No page in this business, please choose a different accounts or tool. Then you have a classic pages, then you have a ad accounts and catalogs, apps, pixel, Instagram accounts, and you can share all this asset with anyone which is already added into your business manager. So this is how you can see and add asset into your business manager, and can assign assets to anyone who are already added to your business manager. You can also edit the permissions and the uh, role of anyone. For example, currently I am the admin of this account, and I can give myself financial editor as well as financial analyst role also. So you can see there are the business manager role, there is a finance role, and there is a developer role. So you can give anything. So basically this is not needed. If you have someone in the accounts team, you can probably give them the all this access. Developer is basically for anyone who is into developer. So basically it's all about pixel and all that thing, but you get all this into admin also. So that's how you can edit someone permissions and the access also. Basically there are only two types of access, that is the admin and the employee access. Employee access is basically an access with limited power, whereas admin do have all the powers. So that's for the add assets and the edit button. So now if you want to add someone to this business manager, how you can do that? So it's a very simple process. You have to click on add under people, and you can see here you have to enter the email address of the person whom you want to add this into business manager. So I will write my email address, press enter, and I can give as the employee access or the admin access. You can see here we recommend adding people as employee. They can only work on assigned account and work accounts and tools. So I probably give the admin access, but do share admin access only with person who is trustable or whom you know personally. So I will be giving admin access over here. So I have already, admins have access to all of your business setting accounts and tools. You can see the show advanced option. You can give the financial analyst, financial editor, and then developer access also to them. When you click on next, so you can see that there is no any page displaying over here, but when you add the Facebook page over here in this business manager, it will appear here. You can give the access to this Facebook business Facebook page also, as well as Instagram account, as well as ad account, as well as pixels, apps, and everything with the help of this. So currently I am just inviting. Okay, so I don't have any assets right now, so I'm just inviting directly to my one of my email address, and you can see that invitation has been sent. So now you have to click on done. The email ID where you shared the access, that person need to log in into their email account and check their inbox for Facebook email. So you can see here that this user has not yet accepted the request invitation. So so you can resend the invitation again, or you can wait for him or her to accept your invitation. Suppose the person whom you want to add into this business manager is having some problem receiving the email from invitation from Facebook. What you can do is you can share the link also. So I have received the invitation on the email, as well as I have received this thing. So I will paste this link in a new tab. So example, I am just writing here testing. So make sure to add your first name as well as last name, otherwise it will not accept. So I have named myself testing, and let's continue. After that, click on continue, and you can see all this thing. You can check, and you have to just click on accept invitation. Once someone you invited accept invitation, the pending icon below the name of that user will disappear into your business manager. So I have accepted the invitation. So you can see that they are asking me to confirm my business email. So you have to also verify your email once. So click on confirm now in order to verify your email address.